It's fishing time. Check this out. Back down at the river, you guys. Very excited. Can't wait to enjoy this. Look at the view. Oh man, I just was up on that bridge, stared down, tons of fish holding right in the main current. You got and off to the side of it too, not just the main current, but also that farther side of the river. But I'm gonna get rigged up. I don't know what I'm gonna put on yet. I'll check in with you guys in a second, and this is gonna be fun. Can't wait. All right, let's do this. Very excited. I'm gonna go right to where I think all these fish are holding. It's gonna be fun. Oh yeah. Haven't been here, you guys, maybe 3 years. It's been a long time. But what I saw from on top of that bridge was just amazing. Are my flies already messed up? No, they're good. Sorry, thought I saw something funky dunky. Doing a weird little sideways roll cast to keep under this bridge. All right, we're in. First drift, let's see it. Ooh. Come on, baby. Come out and eat it. Ooh, there we go, fish on. He slipped off. He definitely is false hook now. There's a rock underwater and I thought, ooh, yeah, he's gonna mess up this whole hole. Yeah, he's falsed. I mean, if he's not falsed, he's not, but I felt my fly slide, you know, across his body. It's a good fish though. It's a very respectable fish. I can see him running around down there, spooking every other fish in this hole. Come out of there, please. Whew, first fish of the day. Always feels good to get hooked up like that. Yeah, come on, buddy, I'm sorry. I know, you're snapped. Oh, it's a good fish. Oh my gosh, it's a very nice fish. See if we can get this guy in. That's a great fish. Good big body on him. All right. Keep him up, keep him up, keep him up, keep him up, keep him up. Oh, there we go, yes. Oh, what a beautiful fish. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's so dark. Oh, that's one for the books. There we go, you're free. It happens, but you ate, I think, that top fly. Look at that fish. It's beautiful. What a beautiful specimen. All right, let's do this, bud. Get on out of here. All right, next one. There's bigger fish in here than that. I saw them. Definitely some nice fish in here. All right, one fish. Well, I'm gonna add a little more weight. Get me down there faster. It's pulling a little harder in that main current than I originally had thought. There we go. Ooh, he's a wild one. Ooh, oh my gosh. Whoa, this is a crazy fish. What is going on here? I can't control my fish at all today. Wow, what a fight. Woo-hoo-hoo, come here. Come here, buddy. Oh, it's definitely a good fish. Oh, it's definitely a good fish. Oh, that's a good fish. That's why he's fighting like crazy. We got him in the lips. Let's go. Oh, he's rolling on my flies. Don't roll, don't roll. Yep, keep him right on your lip. Right on your lip. See it? Oh, big rock. Oh, that's a beautiful fish. Oh my gosh. That's what I saw from on top. Oh, what a dandy. Oh, look at that fatty. Oh, mio gatto. What a stud. What a stud. Look at this football. Oh, buddy. Oh. What did you want to eat there, fella? You guys, size 22, little bling midge, right on the pecker. Big fish. They'll eat little things, you guys. It's about what's hatching. Look at that, came right out. And what's happening. All right. Let's do this, bud. It's time for you to get back in the water. Thank you so much for your time. Really appreciate it. Oh my gosh, look at this fish. Oh yeah, get some gulps. There. Oh, what a stud. Oh, I'm getting back in there. Oh, we're going back for more. Oh my gosh, that was fun. So just a little extra weight, you guys. A little extra weight. So all I did is add a little more weight. I got all the way down there, right in his mouth. Size 22. Little bling midge, you guys. Blue little top coat. Re-rigging time. Alright, got a nice bow. A football. But we're gonna re-rig. I just snapped off. Part of the game. Never liked doing it. Never, when I say snapped off on a rock, but it always sucks. So there goes $6 to the bottom of the river, and now I'm gonna re-rig. Alright guys, I had to move the camera. It's starting to sprinkle out there. Re-rigged, and we're going back for some more. Let's see what happens. No way, first cast, fish on. Out of that hole. Oh, it's not bad on the fishing with these things. Good fish, good fish, good fish. Well, I said earlier there's whitefish in here, and here he is. Nasty son of a gun. But it's kind of a blessing because that guy is coming home with me for lake fishing. Alright, next one. See it? They're hungry. They want some food. Big brown trout, guys. Woo! I might have to swim him. Oh, got him. Woo! We'll take it. Ooh, big slob. There we go, you guys. Just a big, oh my gosh. Look what this fish has been eating, you guys. Look at this. Let's see if I can get this camera to, sorry Bubba, you're gonna have to. Look at that. Stuffed full of eggs. That's what they're eating, look at this. Oh my gosh. Just tons of them. Tons of eggs. Well, let's get him back in there before he's too tired. Look at that. I think he literally went on a bed of eggs and ate them all. Well, there you have it. They are eating those darn eggs. I got one on, so we're good. Alright, let's get back out there. There's more fish to be had in here. Got another about half hour fishing. And then I got some stuff I gotta do. But I'm gonna try to find me another few. See what happens here. Ooh. Oh, oh, first cast. It's a good fish. Good fish. Good fish. Oh, my net's broken. I just broke my net. Look at that. Uh-oh. Oh, come on. He just popped. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. And with the broken net, still in the net. There we go. Another fine specimen. All right, bud. Ah, oh, fun. So again, you got, just going over what we're doing here, we got egg on 6X, winter fishing, January 20th, winter fishing, and we're running it right down the main channel. Oh, there he is. Right down that main channel. This is good fish. Oh my gosh, this is a really good fish. Holy moly. Oh, oh. I'm going down. Oh my gosh, he's running me everywhere. We got him. We still got him. Alrighty. Get him out from under that bridge. I mean, I thought he was definitely bigger than the rest. Oh, he's good. He's good. He's a good fish. Oh my gosh, he's just rolling on my line though. Stop rolling. Please stop rolling. With the broken net. We're going in with the broken net. Stop rolling, bud. Stop rolling. Oh, got him. Nice male. Oh, we'll take that. Wasn't even hooked still. Look at that. What a beautiful fish.